Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the 12-inch surface element in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the front of the main top. Pull the main top forward and have an assistant hold it as you place a towel or blanket underneath. Support the main top. Now unthread the screws, securing the front surface element support brace. Gently rest the surface elements and brace on the towel or blanket. Then notate which slots the surface element retaining clips are inserted into. Use pliers to depress the tabs to release the retaining clips from the brace. Note the orientation of the element wires, then disconnect them. Prepare the new surface element for installation by transferring the retaining clips from the old element to the new one. Use the numbers engraved on the base to position the clips in the proper locations. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Insert the retaining clips into the appropriate slots in the support brace. Realign the support brace on the main top and thread the screws to secure. Remove the towel or blanket, then insert the main top's rear mounting clips into the support panel slots. Align the rear edges of the main top under the frame clips. Then thread and tighten the front screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.